This is such a wonderful opportunity to invite you all to this amazing place that's really a gift from the universe for all of the people in Oxfordshire. It's an 18th century Palladian villa converted into a meditation center, which is called the Global Retreat Center. We have a special event coming up for all of you, 24th and 25th of August from 2 in the afternoon through until 6:30. So it's time to relax, time to meditate, time to be, and time to enjoy. We look forward to seeing you all with your friends and family so that you can really take time to let go of the world and be present in the moment.